ইচ্ছা দেখা ওটা এখন দেখি তুমি তো যাও দিকে যাও রেডি এক মিনিট and 3 2 1 okay make you can work is it okay
The Driving Nari campaign is going to be very, very strong, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you so very much. এবার আমি তোমাদের রিকোয়েস্ট করবো তোমরা বসে পড়ো তার সাথে সাথে I now take the honor of welcoming one. Can we have 3 cheers for the Driving Nari campaign of Indrive? Hip hip! We're from the ladies. Hip hip! Joining to hip hip! Thank you so much. এবার তোমাদের অনুরোধ করবো তোমরা বসে।
And a week from our team conceptualized this and did not really stop at just conceptualizing the event, but really driving it to success. As and when we discussed today, we realized that challenging injustice has 2 different sides to it, right? One way you can do it is by basically changing somebody's course of life from childhood, and that is education. Another way you can do it is basically giving tools of empowerment which can make somebody financially independent. There are 2 ways of doing it. So as Avik mentioned, that in very, very recently in Delhi we had this event where we took responsibility of changing lives of 500 plus children and giving them education in terms of privilege, in terms of a thorough structured education from CRY Foundation. So we donated to CRY Foundation a sum of 35 lakh rupees, which will drive 500 children's education for the next 1 year. And we realized that, let's not stop there. What is the next phase of the activity that we can do? The next phase of activity that we can do is definitely empowering women of our society. The Naris over here are going to be in the driving seat of their lives going forward. Finally, I want to share this as a note that the footprint around 47 plus countries, 750 plus cities globally, it's very easy for us to focus to chase profits, but also we should ensure that we impact society every single day of our operations, right? Was born Driving Nari, was born Right to Donate. And it is not easy, it is difficult. It is extremely difficult. This has been a process of 1+ month. The Driving Naris has been trained for over a month. And also they have got 7 days of hardcore advanced self-defense training. We have ensured that safety is paramount for them whenever they are driving with us. We have also ensured that they have all the tools to succeed in the new job role that will be settling in, and that's why the AMCs and stuff for the bikes are also taken care of. I would definitely 1+ billion people is notional, and we will also not stop there. So extremely proud, extremely happy for the team, and
सर प्लीज थोड़ा साइड दे दीजिए सर सर प्लीज दे दीजिए सर चलिए प्लीज चला गया सर प्लीज हो जाइए प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट
All the press and media members of Kolkata আবারও রিকোয়েস্ট করবো আপনাদের সকলকে প্লিজ বসে পড়ুন এরম ভাবে কিন্তু আমরা শোটাকে প্রসিড করি Welcome Vikram Messi everyone together. Well, you know why you are here. A hero who's going to motivate the heroes we have this afternoon amongst us. A very warm welcome to Kolkata. And
I would love to, and before I begin with anything else, firstly, thank you so much for the love and reception. मैं भी 4 दिन पहले कोलकाता में था, and again I'm here. तो अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि एक घर बनाना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, because the amount of love, the amount of adulation that I get here every time is phenomenal. And thank you so much to all my colleagues from the press. Thank you for coming here. Today is a very special occasion actually, for a very special cause. So thank you for joining us here and thank you for helping us spread the word and the incredible initiative that's taken by InDrive. I think they definitely deserve a huge round of applause. बहुत ही कमाल का काम कर रहे हैं and the real heroes actually who are behind the initiative are here. I'm sure we'll be chatting with them very soon. So thank you so much for making me a part of this wonderful initiative. The last time also when we spoke during the Cry Foundation event and बहुत ही कमाल का काम कर रहे हैं. They are entrepreneurs with a heart and it's a phenomenal feeling to be associated with them. And जो आपने कहा heroes सारे यहाँ पे हैं जो हैं, आप सबको मतलब सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. और अगर आप में से कोई मेरे को राइड पे लेके जाएगा तो मेरे को बड़ा मजा आएगा. ठीक है, पुचका खाने को चलेगा.
पुचका, मिष्टी दोई, राइट?
हाँ, और बेक रसगुल्ला, बेक वाला वो बलराम का. चलो ठीक है, बढ़िया.
Oh my God, you know so much about Kolkata already. Also, Vikram, as we know that this initiative is the need of the hour. So, if you have to describe our Driving Nari campaign of
Giving it back to the society as well. The unfortunate injustices, the disparity that we see in the society, which is so prevalent. बहुत कम ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो जनता से लेके वापस जनता को देते हैं. तो ये रॉबिन हुड है, ये वाकई रॉबिन हुड है और ये वाकई अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. एंड इट्स एन ऑनर टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद देम, एज आई सेड. एंड या
Absolutely, I second you. We say that there's a woman behind a successful man, but यहाँ थोड़ा उल्टा हो रहा है. But आगे जाके देखेंगे in future perspective, ये आगे बैठेंगे, पीछे कोई और बैठे.
बिल्कुल. और वो वक्त आ गया है कि नारियाँ जो हैं, वैसे तो ऑलरेडी हो रहा है, काफ़ी सालों से हो रहा है, बट दिस हैज़ टू गो ऑन. जो नारियाँ हैं, दे आर लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट.
Absolutely.
And it is about time that all of us are cognizant of this fact that the society, ये तो हम जानते हैं, ये प्रकृति का भी नियम है कि औरतों के बिना संसार नहीं है. उसी तरह से मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में भी अभी बहुत से लोग ये समझ रहे हैं कि औरतों के योगदान के बिना जो ग्रोथ है वो ग्रोथ भी नहीं है. एंड वो तो अभी हम लिटरली देख रहे हैं. सो इट्स अ वंडरफुल फीलिंग.
Yes, lovely.